Hello, and welcome to another edition of Safety Monday. I'm Clay Culwell with the TDOT Safety Team. Today, we'd like to begin a multi-part series of videos that emphasizes various aspects of electrical safety. We're all aware of the severe weather that recently left its mark across Middle Tennessee earlier this year, with widespread damage to both residential and commercial buildings and the tragic loss of several lives. The tornadoes encountered on March the 2nd were the deadliest in the region since 1974. The storms brought down numerous electrical lines across the area, creating massive power outages and creating the hazard of electrocution. Most of us know we should never approach downed power lines until the utility company has verified that it's safe to do so. But what if you're caught in a storm while traveling, or if you're involved in a crash and a live power line ends up on top of your vehicle? Here's a quick video that shows us what to do in such an emergency. Please take a moment to watch and learn. And remember to share the info with your four. Have a safe week, everyone.
You've hit a utility pole. Your airbag has deployed, but you seem to be okay. Your first instinct may be to get out of the vehicle, and that instinct could get you killed. Before you do anything, look around for down lines. If you see any lines on or near the vehicle, sit tight. If possible, call 911 and explain the situation. They'll get in touch with Dominion and local responders. This is Bill Thompson. I've run into a utility pole on Jefferson Street. There are power lines on my car. There don't seem to be any sparks or fire or anything. Thanks. I'll sit tight. Well, now this complicates things a bit. I may not have time to wait for help. So, how do I get out safely? First thing is, pay attention to touch potential. Touch potential is the risk of electrocution based on one part of the body touching an energized object, like a car, while simultaneously touching the ground. Electricity flows from the vehicle through the body into the ground. Result, electrocution. So how do I get out? I have to jump and land with both feet together at the same time. So I'm out. But the danger's still present, and simply walking away isn't the answer because of step potential. Because the ground is energized, electrical current can travel through me if my feet aren't close together. Electrical current enters through one foot and out the other. The further apart my feet, the higher the chance of being shocked. Instead of walking, you need to shuffle using small steps and keeping your feet as close together as you can. It might take longer, but you'll get to where you need to go. This is the one time it's better to be the tortoise than the hare. Keep shuffling until you are at least 30 feet away from your vehicle and wait for help. One more thing. While you're waiting, keep an eye out for those good Samaritans that might want to come to your aid. You need to alert them to your situation and make sure they keep their distance. If you encounter downed power lines, assume all downed power lines are energized. Do not drive over downed power lines. If possible, stay in your car. If in danger, jump away from your car and land with both feet together. Shuffle away to safety, at least 30